This is an illustration of the issue where manually entered Excel data with a query of an external Sage 100 table does not stay with the same Sage 100 row in which it was entered. First, I'll show you how the rows do not stay synchronized. I have added a column adjacent to this Sage query table called Personal Notes. Note that Excel has automatically integrated it with the query table from Sage. Previously for this demo, I have added a new inventory item, 1000, which will come into the table at the first row. When I refresh the data, notice how the Personal Notes column doesn't move. This is the synchronization problem I've addressed. Now, here's the solution. We have an identical layout, but this time I've addressed the issue by adding an additional power query. Refreshing the queries in this worksheet retains the relationship the Excel data and the Sage 100 data had when it was entered. If you're interested to see how this is done, see my next video on creating a self-referencing table.